now for another check-in with the twin doctors. What's fact and what's straight-up health fiction?
Yeah. So good to see you again.
Good to be seen.
Dr. I is on his way from an emergency
he had an emergency
C-section.
C-section. He said he's like
That happens.
2 minutes away. So yeah, it does happen.
So we don't have the twin doctors. We have half the twins, and then maybe the other twin will show up in a second.
Yeah.
He always does.
So we got some questions for you today for Dr.
right.
Idries and Jamil Abdur-Rahman, also known as Dr. I and Dr. J. Okay, let's get started.
Let's
True
do
or
it.
false? After a long workout, rehydrating with milk is more effective than rehydrating with water.
I'm going to say false, even though I think you're going to tell me true.
I am going to tell you true. So it sounds crazy, right? You would think that you'd get more water from water than water from milk, but you don't. And for somebody who is
weird.
lactose intolerant like me, the thought of milk after an exercise day kind of
Makes you
scary.
squirm.
Makes you
Yeah.
squirm a little bit, but this is the deal. So basically, there's water in milk, and obviously there's water in water. But it's the sugars, the proteins, and the electrolytes in the milk that cause your body to absorb more of the water from the milk when it's in your GI tract.
So you can drink like a smoothie or drink like a milk-based shake or something?
Yeah, absolutely. Anything that's got milk in it, and typically whole milk or oddly enough skim milk tends to be the best for hydrating. And so your body will get the water from the milk, and then those sugars and salts and proteins allow your body to hold on to it as well. So it doesn't just get more water from the milk, it actually holds on to it better than when you drink water.
That's fascinating.
Punch.
Yeah, it does.
Okay, I'm probably still not going to do it, but that's
I don't
okay.
think
Yeah. True or false? Flossing daily is a simple way to reduce your blood sugar and prevent diabetes. I'm going to say true.
True.
You both are right. So
Flossing is good for you.
Flossing is good for you. It's one of those simple health hacks that people don't really pay much attention
Or
to.
don't
right?
want to do because it's really gross.
It is gross.
You're
And at the end of the
touching
day,
all that dirty
I know,
stuff.
you don't really feel like doing it at the end of the day, but basically when you don't floss, you have a lot of bacteria in your mouth.
Yeah.
Your body doesn't want the bacteria there, and so you get this crazy inflammatory response that causes your cortisol levels to rise. Increased cortisol.
And speaking of cortisol, Dr. J and Dr. I together again.
Emergency C-section. Things happen.
Okay, you're doing this with your hands, and I'm wondering where have your hands been just before you came to the table? My God. I know you were wearing gloves, but I'm like, wow.
So those increased cortisol levels increase your blood sugar and basically make you more prone to diabetes. But flossing, less stress, less inflammation, less cortisol, lower blood sugar.
Okay.
We just answered a question.
We didn't get too far in without you, so we'll pick it up here with you. True or false to this one? When in physical pain, using salty language, swearing, can actually make that pain worse.
True.
I want to say, I feel like it alleviates it.
It actually does alleviate it. Yes, I am a firm believer of that. So actually, when you
catch your breath.
use salty language, I know, right? I was using a lot of salty language on my way here. It does relieve my stress. But yes, when you use salty language, it actually does alleviate stress. So basically, your fight or flight system kicks in. And when your fight or flight system kicks in, your body says something bad is happening here. And so, amongst other things, it basically blocks your ability to perceive pain because it figures we're about to be in pain here. And so you get blocking of these opioid receptors and you don't feel pain. So letting a few choice words fly when you stub your toe does the trick.
I'm sad to say.
Your mom and dad.
Yeah.
About potty mouth. So
Does that mean that you let your kids curse?
His kids
I don't let them.
But they do.
They're just in a lot of pain and they have a fight or flight response. Okay, true or false? Smoking medical marijuana before work can improve one's job performance. False.
I'm gonna say true.
See, she's a believer. It's true. It is true.
How is that possible?
With a caveat. So this is the thing. We have something called the endocannabinoid system, right? And so this mediates our nerves. So people that have certain neurological conditions, we're talking multiple sclerosis, muscular dystrophy, epilepsy, smoking marijuana actually does improve concentration and improves their work performance.
You have to have a pre-existing condition.
You have to have a pre-existing condition.
That's the trick. You see, for a healthy person without cerebral palsy or whatever you just listed.
It's not going to work. Not going to do it for you then.
Thank you.
A lot of very disappointed Americans out there.
Do we have time for one more?
Can we do the contact
No.
lenses for pregnant women? Just tell us the answer. Should they not wear
They
pregnant?
should not wear contact lenses. Contact
Pregnant
lenses
women should not?
they should not. Women who want to get pregnant. Basically, there are chemicals called PFASs that can actually adversely affect your fertility. And the amount of these PFASs in contact lenses is 50,000 times higher than the EPA says people should be exposed to.
Okay, well then I have a lot of praying to do.
I want to see you in glasses next time.
Okay, if I want to have a baby. All right. Thank you to you both.
Yeah, so good to see you. Thank you for
Always a
joining
pleasure.
us.
Thanks for having me.
Good job.
After surgery.
Yeah, thank you for coming.
To
Oh my
have your
gosh.
health questions answered on our show by Dr. I and Dr. J, just message them on social media at the Twin Doctors _.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find News Nation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of News Nation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.